Two things there. Number one, his nationality. Number two, whether due process was followed in bringing him back to Nigeria. Section 28 of the Nigerian Constitution, I think I also produced it. Section 28 of the Nigerian Constitution actually made provision for dual citizenship. Surprisingly, you might be surprised to know that as a Nigerian citizen by birth, you can acquire so many other citizenship without losing your Nigerian citizenship. That's by virtue of Section 28 of our Constitution. If you're a Nigerian citizen by birth, you can become a British citizen, and a Finnish citizen, an American citizen, if it's possible. You can be all that without losing your Nigerian citizenship. The meaning is that you can't even renounce your Nigerian citizenship. Are we following? You are following? You cannot renounce it. If you are a Nigerian citizen by birth, you cannot renounce it. Because if you say if you make a declaration today that you are renouncing it, tomorrow, if you want to pick it up again, you do what? You pick it up again. As long as you are a Nigerian citizen by birth. So that is the situation of Nnamdi Kanu. Therefore, Nigeria has unparalleled rights, and they are entitled to request from the Republic of Kenya the extradition of Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. They have the right to do that. Do we understand? Because there have been arguments in the social media that he has a British passport, they shouldn't bring him to Nigeria. No, that argument does not hold water. As long as you are a Nigerian citizen by birth, if you hold 30 other citizenships, Nigeria as a country, by virtue of Section 28 of our Constitution, will continue to treat you as what? As its citizen. I don't really understand that. So that is what happened in the case of Nnamdi Kanu. But the question is, did Nigeria follow due process in getting him back to Nigeria? The answer is a capital no. Because the Kenyan authorities have said that they did not receive any requests from Nigeria to get Nnamdi Kanu extradited back to Nigeria. They didn't get any such request. They have said that. But the problem is that from the facts given by Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother, Kenyan security operatives were involved in the saga. So that is the problem. If the government of Kenya did not know about it, how did their security forces get involved? And they have not told us that they have dismissed the people that are involved yet. So invariably, they did it as an illegal act. So that is the reason why it could not be justified. And again, you need to understand that for extradition from Kenya, for that request to be honored, it must not be in respect of a political offense. Although there has been arguments, I must concede that argument. There have been arguments that terrorism, practical terrorism is not only a political offense, but a criminal offense. My friends in criminology who teach terrorism, I know you know something about that. Actually, terrorism is not strictly a political offense. All right? Treasonable felony, that is, if you are agitating for a separate state by peaceful means, that is not terrorism. But the moment you begin to, engage in activities that constitute crimes, it becomes terrorism. And that means it will be excluded from the ambit of the protection under the Nigerian Extradition Act. But the major thing is that there was no request to bring back Nnamdi Kanu to the Kenyan government. And therefore, what the Nigerian government did is what is known as extraordinary rendition, which is an act of international terrorism. So that's the point. And then the question now is, who are the people that are involved? The Attorney General of the Federation. As a matter of fact, from what happened, he has a case to answer at the International Criminal Court in The Hague. Because international terrorism is a crime triable by that court. But I know, like I said in this paper, that the Nigerian government might want to compromise the matter by settling with Kanu out of court. That is also part of international politics. Because actually Nigeria is in the eye of the storm with that very activity. It is terrorism, and it is a crime in international law, punishable by the International Criminal Court at The Hague. Then, with respect to Sunday Igboho, or Sunday Adeyemo alias Igboho, Nigeria has an extradition treaty with Togo and Benin Republic signed in 1984. Even under that treaty, political offenses are also excluded from the ambit of the application of those treaties. Therefore, it will be impossible for Benin Republic to extradite Sunday Igboho to Nigeria. And you know, Benin Republic is heavily dependent on Nigeria economically, and they cannot afford a fallout with Nigeria. They cannot also afford a fallout with the international community. So what they're doing now is taking the middle course. They have arrested Sunday Igboho and are trying him in Benin Republic for crimes that are punishable under Beninois law, so that Nigeria will be satisfied. All Nigeria wants is to make sure that they catch him, they keep him there. And so you can see the politics involved in the extradition. I don't know whether we are following the discussion. At this point, I want to conclude. Thank you very much.